An improperly sealed house can cause headaches. Make sure you seal gaps, especially the big ones, with an insulating foam sealant that will last. Say yes to Loctite Tite Foam Big Gaps with premium durability. Premium durability means high density. Flexibility lets the foam bend and shift with seasonal changes. Adhesion. It creates a strong bond to a wide array of building materials. UV resistance. The foam will stand up to harsh UV rays. Together, these create a long-lasting durable seal, and that's what we call premium durability. The new and improved trigger gives you more control and comfort. Simply shake, press down to attach, remove the safety tab, and squeeze to dispense. Use the straw plug to avoid messy runout. Tite Foam Big Gaps is designed to expand more, so you can fill larger gaps, up to 3 inches in size. Say yes to blocking it all out. Say yes to Tite Foam. Say yes to Loctite.